Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today we'll be discussing how physics is involved in our daily lives.
I'm Naomi.
I'm Elam.
And I'm Ashley.
Okay. Today they'll be playing the G major scale, and she's playing it on a violin and she's playing it on a cello, and you can see how different the sounds are because the violin is smaller and it projects less sound due to higher frequency and a higher pitch. However, Ashley's instrument has a lower pitch, so the sound is lower. So the sound waves projected by the violin are shorter in length, and that's why it has a lower pitch. However, Ashley's instrument projects a louder sound because it has longer waves. All string instruments make sounds and notes by vibrating. However, frequencies are different amongst each instrument, and this is called timbre. This lets us differentiate different sounds amongst the string instruments. As presented, they are both playing the same scale, but on different instruments. However, each string instrument sounds different. This is due to the harmonics that differ amongst each instrument due to the size that is different within them. Although the sounds are different, they each complement one another because the notes are still the same. The only difference is that they project the same sound differently. A string fixed at both ends can oscillate in many notes, called harmonics. These must keep the string fixed at the ends. One full wave has an effective length called a wavelength. The note that is heard disrupts the air at a rate called the frequency. The wavelength and the frequency are inversely proportional. The longer effective wavelength corresponds to less frequency, for example, that being the cello.
So I will be explaining Newton's first law of motion, which is an object at rest stays at rest unless pushed by an unbalanced force.
As Elam runs, the more force she puts, the more acceleration she'll have, explaining Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration. Also, in Newton's third law, every action has equal but opposite reaction. That's explained in Elam's running. When she pushes off the ground also pushes her back.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope our examples helped you guys comprehend how much physics is involved in our daily lives.